Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Proxy Socks5 on Firefox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video. Alright, so there's a few different reasons why people like doing this. So for privacy and anonymity, so it hides your real IP address from websites, makes it harder for trackers, advertisers, etc., and it bypasses geo restrictions. Also security on public Wi-Fi, and it can be faster, more flexible than VPNs sometimes, and also for work research purposes. Now, in order to get to where I'm here, I'm going to quickly run through how to do this. So open up a new tab. You want to go about, column preferences, then hit enter. Now from here, we want it where it says find settings, type in connections. Here it is here, and then go ahead and click onto type in connection, sorry, not connections, where it says network settings. Go ahead and click onto settings. Now we got the connection settings pop up. Now from here we want to go ahead and click on manual proxy configuration. Now under Socks5 host, enter your proxy server's IP address. In the port field, enter the Socks5 proxy port, commonly 1080 or whatever your provider gave, and then choose Socks v5. Now this is optional. We can also check proxy DNS when using Socks v5 for extra privacy. This prevents DNS links, and then from here simply go ahead and click on OK. Now if your proxy requires authentication, so when you first visit a site, Firefox will ask for your username and password for the Socks5 proxy. Enter the credentials provided by your proxy service.